Alright, so I figured I would do the Lyndelby Waterfall house real fast. You can't probably barely hear me over this waterfall. It's pretty badass. One waterfall. Trees here. Not gonna have sand falling here on this time. Right, speed. On this area. Gonna have this here. Blanket, yep. Alright. So a lot of this we've already seen, but the harmonious miniature tree I think we had. Wait, this does something. Garden snow. Small growth of fall tree. I like that one. Platter. Alright. So, pristine, Arabian pavilion. We have that one. It's huge. Like, too big. We didn't really do a lot of decorating here. Again, if I can see out over here, I don't think I can. No, can't go that. That's alright. Alright. A lot of the Umbar stuff here, so see live statues. Isn't that cool? Post. Oh, that's right, we can. Turn it on and off, I guess. Cool. Oh, we gotta look at that one in a sec here. So we got the flower bed. Alright. Forgot I even had this tree here. With honeycomb. And a perfect forebear. Got a lot of trees in this yard, so I got that one. Wisteria, honeycomb, archway. I think I put anything in here. Let's see if I did. Oh, I put a tree in here. Jacaranda. Cute. Okay. There's another large potted wisteria. I guess I have a couple of those. So cool. These are just the gazebos from Umbar. Nothing really too special. Kind of silly. Umbar always gave me a feel from Luke Ghislaine and Diablo. Alright, so there's a larger one. It's cool. Another tree. Large pot of jacaranda. This is interesting. So this is the large tree garden. Lots of palm trees. Living in California, yeah, I'm kind of over palm trees, but that's alright. They don't really do anything except withstand hurricanes and palm fronds falling in and pick them up. So, there's that. I like trees, you know, like loft trees. Aha, there you go. The Dorian fountain. This is a empty one. Okay, a little bit. Freestanding lantern, which is really cool. Copper lantern double. Gondorian tree. I don't know why I have that outside. Why not? Alright, so. Got all kinds of stuff up there. Got the quiver. Now, this is pretty cool. So I have, and this is the Apothecary's Arbor. This is also from our friends at Umbar. look like hookah things to me. Kind of cool. What's that? Small gazebo, dig side, training, snow brawler. Oh, another fish pond. Guess I have two there. Alright, yes, now. So this is interesting. We can go up over here. Cool thing about Lyndelby. Go up here. Make it a better view of the yard. Look. This is King Crimson Tree. We love the King Crimson trees. It's kind of smashed up in here. Put a jacaranda that is not flowering. Okay, let's go inside. Okay. So now, these are, hang on. Red Shigani floor. I like that. Oh, that's right. I put the Yule. What is the name of that one? Let's actually take a look. This is the Snowy Evening Walls. There it is. Cool. All right. It's kind of cool. Now I think I have all of these. So these are all the main people from the Kindred of Coin. Armalok. Othog. Let's go over to this dude. Alright, dining table. Contact. Good looking dude. Hold on, we'll do that last. House banner is fine. So this is the tale of Volandor's crew. Small mural. Volandor. Volandor. Oh, very Middle Ages. Okay. And then finally, it's the coffee table, and this is the portrait that took me multiple. It's all of the. It's just a quest line that takes a while. In Umbar, adorable. Shigani floor, good for you. Okay, I got this as kind of scary stuff. Lighted torch stand, decorative cords, spider queen, we've seen all those. So this is, I think this was the epic line. Map of the depths, kind of cool. I don't know why that couch is backwards, because I haven't really done a great job in here. Anyways, so this is a trick somebody taught me. You can use your tapestries as doorways. Whee! Alright, so we're going to do this pretty fast, because we have a lot of stuff decorated in here. There's the bookshelf. Shipped. Oh, there we go. Light. This is the portrait of the Grey Company. We know this door all too well. Pedestal, pedestal. Portrait of the Beast. Right on. Correct. This is the other door. Here, Hobbit Homes, large decorative base, that's kind of new. Bottle ship, seen that one. Oh. So, curiosity. Okay, I'm gonna have to empty that. bed, ship. All this ship stuff's from Umbar. More ship stuff. Academics table. Lantern. Holland Gate. We'll go to that in a sec. All right, Green Dragon Inn. We've seen that one. In bar. Got the brewery banner. Brewery sign. Got a lot of alcohol themes. Tavern sign. Glug glug. And then you go in here. You got all the pipe weed. Got a red light going in here. Don't know why. I guess that's where you get baked. Here. Yeah, these are not very decorated. Ampari bed. It's actually pretty cool. Two things I've known as love. Alright, so I think, yeah, both these go down. So I have the Holland Gate wall engraving as a door. Did I look at everything in there? I think I did. I must have. Let's make sure. The tapestries. Okay. Wait, what's back here? Room. So these are all of the taverns that are in Umbar, which there are many. And they're part of the quest line. So I made it a point, and then you get the tavern sign when you get it in the in an instance. So it's a little bit harder to get, not too hard, but pat myself on the back for it. The way down as well. Okay, yep. So this both does it. Leads downstairs. All right, here we go. So these are all of the taverns. I'll just quickly go through these. Won't even read them out, but it's, as you can see, tavern. Welcome Cockle. Hungry Deep. Vagabond Rest. Raven and Albatross. Eagle. Yes, these took time to get, so I'm going to show them. Got another Armalex desk. This is, I have 3 of them, I guess. I must have got 3, right? Yeah. Looks like Juno. Full belly, drowned prince, Raven and Albatross. Okay, so here we go. We're all good there. And in we go. Now this is the star. This is the waterfall. In the basement of your own house. Pretty cool. And yes, you can dive in. It would be cool if there was a door over here and went outside. There is not. Okay. They're swimming around. I think you can swim in here, or fish in here, but I'm not positive. Alright, so these are the things from... That's the crew member. We hadn't seen that one before. This is the waypost sculpture. Ornamental sea jewel display. I think that's on the very end. I think I only was able to get that on my main so far. There's tapestries. Fancy storage chest. I think I have this one in the Belfalaskin house, but not you, which is pretty cool. And the cool thing is you got some light coming in here. So I do absolutely want to be able to get a Lyndelby Waterfall house, but I won't be devastated if something happens and I can't. I will be devastated if I don't get my useful. Okay? Alright. Here we go. Cool. Pretty fast, 14 minutes. Right on.